Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to make a professional sounding audiobook using Elevenlabs in 2025. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to prepare your script. The format of your book manuscript should be into the clear sections and the chapters. You need to break it down into the manageable parts around 200 to 300 characters each. Make sure that you remove any type of typos, fix the pronunciation, add things like commas, ellipses, or SSML breaks to control the pauses and the pacing. Now, once you have your script ready, you need to come on 11labs.io and you need to simply create your account here. If you don't have an account, or if you already have an account, you need to simply log in into your account. Over here you can either use a built-in AI voices. You will see bunch of different voices here. You can also clone your own voice, or you can create a custom narration style voice using a professional cloning feature. Now come to the text to speech option and pick a tone that actually fits your book, like calm, dramatic, energetic, or warm. Afterwards, you need to paste your first section into the text box. So for example, this is the first section of my book, so I'm going to be pasting over here. Then after selecting the character here in the right hand section, let's say I've selected Liam. So after selecting it, if you want to enhance it with alpha, you can just simply select it, and as you can see, these lines have these genres like calm, thoughtful, etc. So once you are done, you need to click on the generate speech option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and wait for some time. Afterwards, you need to simply download the first audio, and you need to paste it over here. After that, you need to provide the second section and you need to keep on doing it. Make sure that you are pasting your script into the section and not putting all of at once. So let's say these are the two responses that you have downloaded. Now you need to add those in any of the audio editor where you are going to basically clip them all together. So for this video, I'm going to be using Filmora. So here you need to add both of these and you need to add them in timeline. You need to make sure that everything is pasted successfully. Here click on the export option, and now you need to select the option of MP3. You can give it a name just like so, and then you need to click on the export option. Basically, now you have created your audiobook successfully with the help of Elevenlabs. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.